cars. Let me know if you want to get off. I'll let you off at the nearest stop. And
Thank you.
please.
Ready?
Hey, I'm holding.
Not to them. Just let her off.
Well, worst case, I'll just shove him off. Does that work?
Huh?
So worst
That
case,
was
I'll
a
just
short
shove him off.
If you get half of everything, yeah.
Wait. I think it's worth more alive.
Stop. Have a good day, guys. Happy Mother's Day. End of the line. Everybody off.
Yeah, good try. Nope. You have to film the whole thing.
Yeah, this is.
Do you guys know how a ski lift works? Ski lift?
Yeah, they have the
Like a cable car?
cable. That's basically what this is.
Basically,
this is?
So it's really not that interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, I've skied for many years. Not recently.
Small lines?
Stand up.
Giddy up. Just that.
How do you know when where's the
Left.
Hold on.
Pay attention for signs that say the
You would say
rail
so?
car moves. I'll keep an eye out. But we'll. I'm fine, Mom. This is a whole lot easier than the Japan subway system.
Happy Mother's Day, one
Hey guys, come on over. Watch your step.
Oh, here's an autonomous car.
Yep, nobody in it.
Inside the cabin. Hold on, please. Hold up. Hold on.
Yes.